When it comes to landing page software, choosing the right one for your business can make all the difference. Today, we'll be comparing two popular options, Landingi and Thrive Architect, to help you answer the question, which one is the best landing page software? First off, both of these tools are well known for creating high-converting landing pages, but they each have their own strengths and weaknesses. Let's start by talking about ease of use. Landingi is known for its drag-and-drop builder, which is incredibly beginner-friendly. It's intuitive, and you can build a landing page in just a few clicks. However, while it's easy to use, it's not the most customizable option. You might find it limiting if you need a truly unique design for your pages. Thrive Architect, on the other hand, offers more flexibility and customization. It integrates directly into WordPress and gives you a much more granular level of control over the design of your pages. You can tweak every little detail, which is great for advanced users, but it can also be overwhelming for beginners. So, if you're new to landing page creation, Thrive Architect might feel like it has a steeper learning curve than Landingi. Next thing to consider is pricing. Landingi offers 3 plans starting at $29 per month, but for the most features, you'll need to go for their higher tier options, which can get pretty pricey. Thrive Architect, however, operates on a one-time payment model with a single license costing around $67. This is a big draw for those who prefer a one-time payment over recurring subscriptions. The downside, though, is that it only works with WordPress, which could be a deal breaker for non-WordPress users. The third thing is the templates. Landingi comes with a wide variety of pre-designed templates, which is perfect if you need a landing page up and running quickly. But again, these templates are a bit generic, and while there are a lot of them, they may not be exactly what you're looking for. Thrive Architect also offers a library of templates, but where it stands out is in its more professional and customizable options. You can start with a template and then modify it in depth to match your brand style. The fourth thing to look at is integrations. Landingi supports a solid range of third-party integrations, including email marketing, CRM, and payment tools. But it doesn't offer quite as many integrations as Thrive Architect, which connects easily to a variety of platforms. Thrive Architect's ability to integrate with WordPress plugins makes it a more flexible option for businesses already using WordPress for their website. Moving on to performance and speed, both tools are pretty solid in terms of loading times, but Thrive Architect tends to have the edge here. Since it's built on WordPress, it's often able to benefit from the speed optimizations available within the WordPress ecosystem. Landingi does a good job, but you might notice slight differences in performance depending on the complexity of your landing pages. Lastly, while both software options are great, they are far from perfect. Landingi can be a bit too basic for advanced users, and Thrive Architect, while powerful, might be too complicated for beginners. If you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, ease of use, great templates, flexible customization, and solid integrations, I recommend trying something different. After testing both Landingi and Thrive Architect, if you want a better alternative for building high-converting landing pages, check out the first link in the description. It offers a free trial with exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. This tool has everything you need without the frustrations of the limitations you might find with the other two.